friend Ruthie. She's going to cut all my hair off. You probably clicked on this video thinking it was going to be complete clickbait. And I wasn't going to film this either, but Ruthie was like, you should put this on your channel. So I'm going to put it on my channel. So what we're going to do today, where's the razors at? We went to Walgreens and I picked up a home cut combo, and then she has her scissors with her. So first we're gonna cut my hair because as you guys can see, I have extensions in. This is not my own hair. I have individual micro loops, and just a quick little like lesson on them. I noticed that my hair did thin out a lot. No matter what extensions you get put in your hair, you're going to go slightly bald from it, just from the weight. But what I noticed is, and let me show you, because you're like, why do you want to cut your hair? Let me show you why. So if you go through my head, you will find constant random spots like that. And I used to not have that.
That is so sad, Vanessa.
Yeah. The extensions, you could see like, because they would grab all the hair, so the hair around it would kind of like just break off. So I have these spots all over my head, and some people might be like, well, you can't see it when your hair is actually combed. True, but I'm just making myself balder and balder, so why don't I just cut all my hair off and start over? That is why I'm cutting my hair. I don't have any sicknesses, hopefully. I'm not going through anything, I'm not stressed. I'm not going bald because I'm stressed, because I'm not stressed. My extensions left me bald. It's my fault because I got them. We're gonna do first, Ruthie's gonna cut the hair. We can like put it in.
Wait, could I give you like a hairstyle first?
So you want to like try to cut it like cute, and then after
no, I wanted to cut it crazy, like.
What do you mean cut it crazy?
Like give you like a faux, like a mole.
I don't want that.
Oh, I thought I cut your finger.
No.
Are
these like
scissors?
Those are like kitchen shears for me. I know I'm a little bit of a snack, but should I go on Instagram Live? Yeah.
Yeah.
You're supposed to cut above the ponytail.
Yeah, but you have thick hair, and these scissors like are gonna break.
Should we use the razor then? Oh, fuck.
It's not even doing it.
Is it like on? Is the razor on?
Yes, look, it's thick. That's because your hair is so thick.
Fuck. I feel like I have to pee because I'm nervous.
Do you want to go?
Like, I just peed though. I don't have to pee, I just peed. You guys, I'm donating my hair. Hey guys, it's Laylee Pons. Like when I first cut like the long extensions, I was gonna like take them out and cut my hair this short.
Was the long extension?
Oh my god! Lord Farquaad. Fuck you guys. I feel like I'm going through a midlife crisis right now. You guys, hair grows back, so.
Well, not the end of the day.
Or at the end of the, not the end of the day, but.
Oh, maybe it will.
That's right, I said it. Live the life you wish you had. Sugar, spice, and everything. But bad girls like it tough. Don't you wish you could roll it up? Tough to haters can't get enough. Welcome to the Bad Girls Club. Bad girls.
See, this is why we're doing this. Because of that. Stuff like that. We'll do a hair growth series so we could like see.
Cute like that.
What?
This part that you shaved.
How was that cute? Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be bald.
See, like it's like little fuzzies, like right here. Look how cute.
Little fuzzies. I don't know if you guys know who Drew Disaster is on YouTube. She doesn't really make many videos anymore, but she kind of inspired this a bit. Well, now, like, if I ever, like, something does happen and I actually have to cut all my hair off, I won't cry about it. Because I already know what I look like bald now. I want my dad to make fun of me, and I know he is. Like, I already know my dad's gonna roast me so hard. Oh my, what is my brother gonna say? All of his friends that used to say that I was cute, they're gonna be like, your sister ain't cute anymore.
What are these things called where you just leave the hair?
Baby hairs?
No, like they shave it all off and then they have like this hair in the back.
Oh, bitch! My friends from Guam used to do that. They would shave all their head and leave just like a little rat tail. I don't know what it is, but I think it's like it's Asian culture. Actually, not sad. I expected worse.
cute.
I expected worse. It's still pretty bad. It's still pretty fucked, but
You actually look really decent. Like, Vanessa, stop.
can I use one of these without this so I can get really bald, or do I have to use it? I'm still gonna wear wigs, so don't get me wrong. Will you still love me, Yarl? Will you still think I'm cute?
When did I shave my head? Like a year ago?
A year ago, yeah. If she could do it, I could do it. Why y'all value hair so much when half of y'all are probably bald under your weaves? Anyway. Oh, you know what we should have done? We should have like only shaved the top but left like grandpa sideburns. Fuck, we should have did that! That
Well, we can still do it.
would've on the side.
Mom's coming over.
Yeah. She's gonna see this. She's gonna be like, oh my gosh, what happened? Does this mean I have to put foundation on my entire head now? I love how we were just talking about like going out and doing all these fun things and getting cute.
I'll make you feel better. I'll wear a wig with you.
Aww. As Tracy Barbie says, be about it. So now I guess I'm gonna get a razor and do the rest of it. But now I can be like my wig was actually snatched. Wait, so you'll shave your head but not your legs. Yes, exactly. You go worry about the water when you pay the bills. We have plenty of ocean, bitch. The water that's going through the faucet is not our drinking water. It's going back to the ocean. It's clean. Nothing going on. Nothing wrong with it.
Think you played peekaboo with your cat.
Well, that's nice.
Or she got scratched in the eyes.
I mean, that would suck. Sounds more of a you problem. More of a don't sue me problem.
I'm gonna see you.
For the billionth time, I'm doing this because my hair is damaged. Was damaged. My hair was literally so like thin, so gross, so damaged. So this is what we're doing.
You dried your head?
Was I not supposed to?
No, it's easier when it's wet. See? Wow. Hey.
I'm not doing this for no reason. I'm doing it because my hair is damaged. And my hair is damaged.
Take a second and look at the back of your head.
I don't want to.
Look. Vanessa.
Hold on. What?
Can you see?
I can't see it.
Oh, look at that one.
Okay. Oh my gosh! You did a good job back there.
Kind of. Just
There's still some up here, but down there it looks good.
Yo.
Bitch! I do not look like Eminem. Bitch, I feel like you're gonna try to dye that shit. Do I look like people that I'm not gonna say their names? Wait, what the heck?
How long have we been
Wait, you have the iPhone X?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I know. Get with the program.
Shut the fuck up. Why is there no like thing? Damn, you got the iPhone X before my ass.
And I'm broke.
I'm just too cheap for that. I don't care how much money I have. I won't. $1,000 for that phone? I don't think so. Every social media person. Yeah. Hey guys, got the iPhone X. Not because I want it, but because I want you guys to see that I could afford it.
See, like this area was flat for me. But yours is like perfectly round.
I guess I was just born perfect.
Do you really need this now?
I don't need a wig cap anymore. I hate how how easy it just sat on my head. That does not feel good. That doesn't feel good. I don't like that.
Your wigs are actually really nice.
I don't like. Oh my gosh, it feels so weird. It feels so weird. I don't like this. Oh my gosh, this feels.
You need the cap.
No, I don't. Oh my gosh, my wigs are gonna be laid, bitch.
Well, since you don't need all these hair products,
I still need it. So here's the final result. As you guys can see, I am literally bald. These aren't cuts, these are pimples. But I did like get cut a little bit, but that's okay. It'll go away. I feel very liberated to not do this because I had to. I did it because I was like, you know, fuck it, who cares? But new trend, new bald, 2018.
let me kiss it.